All right, guys, so we're out here at Foresthill Sugar Pine. Vanessa's finally out here today, and she picked a great day to come. It is raining on us today. It's nice and damp. We got Ronnie Mac number 69 right here, just pulled it in the parking lot. He's got the chin cut off, but he's a little lackluster. Didn't cut the fenders, but bro's got the overalls and everything. CRF 500 over there. But hell yeah, we're about to go shred some trails. Hopefully we can get up into the forest here where the tree will give us a little bit of cover from the rain. We're pretty soaked right now. It's pretty damp. It's about 9:30. It's only supposed to rain till about 11, and we should be clear, but you never know, you know. Truck's locked, wife's on the bike, she's ready to rip, and my 500 soaking wet, but let's go see what we can get into. You ready, mamas? All right, let's roll. It'll get warmed up. How's it feel? It feel right? Yeah, so her bike, she hasn't ridden in a few months. She just needs to get back on and get going. Oh yeah. Got a little slippery back there. All right, you can turn your camera on. Okay, it's on. It's recording. Okay, guys, so
slippery.
We're gonna start out trail 1. We're gonna go up and we're gonna go to the right, do the I guess counterclockwise loop. Trail 1, Foresthill. It's a little rainy.
Little.
Vanessa's a little nervous, but she's ready to rip.
Yeah.
She doesn't know it yet, but she's ready. So when we were coming in, I thought we were the only two dumbasses that wanted to ride in the rain today, but looks like we're not the only ones. So yeah, we're gonna take a right here. Yeah, careful, babe. It's a little slippery. A little bit of mud. Hopefully she's doing all right.
It's a little slick.
She's just out of range from the Bluetooth. I can't hear. You doing all right?
Yeah, it's a little slick, but I'm all right.
Yeah, those pine needles, they're slippery. Probably more slippery than the mud.
Yeah. My back tires slide a little bit.
Once you get a feel for how much traction you're going to get on this, I think you'll be all right.
It's been a little bit since I've been on her, so I'll be all right.
Yeah, no, these trails are always a blast to come rip through. Clean my lens off. I don't know how much water's getting on it.
A little slick.
Go ahead.
Huh?
Right behind you. Go ahead.
Where are we going?
Up this one. Our viewers want to see the KLX in action.
You're in for a treat.
Heck yeah.
Mama's still got it. She's still a little scared of this slick shit.
You'll be alright.
I'm not very fast, but
Fast enough to have fun.
I'm out here. I'm not crying.
Yeah, it's pretty cold out here today.
Cold.
Yeah, it's probably only not even 50 degrees. It's got to be like 48 or 49. It's hell yeah. It's damp. I forgot to bring a sweater. So it's kind of cold, but whatever. Once we get moving, get the blood pumping, we'll be all right.
You can pass me at any point.
I'll pass you when we get down the hill. You know, it's nice to see my wife back out here. She loves riding, but she's just been real busy the last couple months and hasn't been able to come out. So it's good to see her out here today.
Back to business as usual.
Yep. Now this isn't a stock KLX 140. This is the 140G. We've lowered it, put a Cuba lowering link on it, raised up the front forks inside the triple clamp. So, and then I shortened the kickstand for her because she's a little vertically challenged, but
Only 411.
411 she says. But it's got a BBR 170 kit in there, and then in the next upcoming weeks we plan on putting the BBR camshaft in, and then I'm gonna do the BM carb upgrade. Give her a little bit more power, get her ripping before we start working on suspension mods and other stuff for that. But she still gets after it.
I don't know.
You guys can't hear her, but she's in my Bluetooth headset saying she's not, but look at her, she's ripping. When we get down to the bottom of this trail, I'll pass you. So we'll get down to like a gate or something.
Oh yeah, let me get to the bottom and then you can climb it up. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
Leave me in the dust.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Hopefully my camera's not covered in water.
Yeah, this is nice and slick.
I'm gonna pass you right now. We're gonna turn. Yeah, we're gonna turn left, and then try and wipe your lens too.
On my camera.
Okay, trail 1111.
It's cold.
Yeah, no, it's cold. So that's 21. Hang on.
Okay, I'm not going.
Okay, trail 1. Right here. This is trail 1. I know, it's pretty damp out here today. I think it's only supposed to rain today. It's Sunday today. So Monday morning or this next week coming up, trail should be fire. Are you good? There's guys coming behind us. Might want to let them pass if they're going to go up this trail.